Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun. Good job, Amber.
Hey, Polly, I think it's better if we pick him up and...
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic. Mater, let's go! You're on!
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the Diet Coke.
Heard what they say about old British engines. If there ain't no oil under 'em, there ain't no oil in 'em.
What is he?
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Ready for dispatch!
Ready for dispatch.
You buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that biggie truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Hey! Act civilized. We...
Did you really hide in a tunnel because of some rain?
Yes, Thomas, I did.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
I hereby dub thee.
Hot snap, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, we're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're gonna have...
What's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
I trust him. Come on, let's take a drive.
A drive?
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will be...
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
Turn on dirt, you think? No. And now I'm a day behind.
What just happened?
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.
Doggone it, this is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked it, but I can't miss it. Good job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dinoco?
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is gonna be wicked.
Yeah.
That Francesco is wonderful.
And those open wheels.
I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
Thanks, guys. Nice paint, kid.
Speaking of recalls, you're getting up there in mileage, aren't you, Finn?
All right, we get it. We both know it.
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures because Champ here has been a role model of mine.